Back to channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix SteamTools cloud status unable to sync. I'll show you several methods you can try to fix the problem and get Steam Cloud syncing normally again. Let's start with the first method. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left corner, and select Settings. From the Settings menu, open Cloud and make sure Enable Steam Cloud is turned on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off temporarily. Next, go to Downloads, scroll down and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action when prompted. Steam will restart automatically. Once it opens again, launch your game and check if the cloud sync problem has been resolved. If you're still getting the error, try the next method. Open Windows Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Then select Windows Security and open Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings and temporarily disable Real-Time Protection. After doing this, open Steam again and check whether the cloud sync is working. If the problem continues, another thing you can try is temporarily connecting through Cloudflare Warp. Open your browser and search for Cloudflare Warp and download and install the official application for Windows. Once installed, open Warp from the system tray and make sure the mode is set to Warp, then Connect. After connecting, restart Steam and try syncing your game again. If Steam Cloud still refuses to sync, open PowerShell as administrator and run the appropriate repair or update command for the software involved. Make sure you only use commands from a trusted source and avoid running unknown commands from random websites. Finally, restart your PC and launch Steam again. Check your game's cloud status and try launching or downloading the game once more. Hopefully one of these methods fixed the Steam Cloud unable to sync problem for you. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more gaming and troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which method worked.